Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to day 3 of my coding journey. So, today's been a really busy day. Um, I know I said yesterday we was going to probably do like a code along or me working on my another section on my site, but it's been very busy today for me. It's the holidays and, families here, and, so I've been coming up here in my little office. Throughout the day working on the site. So I did end up doing a contact section, and I added a background image that I made in Photoshop to the card section and the adopt section, and so I mean, I personally think it looks nice. So let me show you guys like quick. All right, there we go. All right, so here's the background image that I made in Photoshop. It was just like I took this shape off of Google. I think I typed in liquid shape or something like that. But this is the original. Oh, fluid shape. And I just changed the color and I added, the opacity and stuff like that. It's pretty simple. It took like 5 minutes to do. But here is the contact section I did. So I made a container fluid. If you guys are just now tuning in, this is a Bootstrap project for my portfolio site for the coding bootcamp I'm attending, which is Nucamp. So they have us working on this. I know I say this every video, but they have us working on this site. First is going to be Bootstrap, and then I believe next week we're going to React, then React Native, and then the back end stuff. So our site's gonna evolve into like a React site or like a full working site. It's gonna be pretty cool. But so yeah, the contact section I did a container fluid, and I put another container inside that, and I have two columns. I have one row, two columns. On the left side, I made a form, which is just first name, last name, email, and I have like a text area to where to where people can just write why are they contacting us. And on the right side, I have hours of operation, so they can, I guess, know just in case they're sending an email when we're closed, they know why they're not getting a response back. So let me show you guys. That's the code for it, and down here is the section that I did. So yes, basically the same thing I just said. The form is on the left. I also have a button here with a like hover effect over it, and I have the hours of operation. So a few things. So I sent my instructor this my GitHub repository and told him check it out. He's a front end developer, so he kind of was a little harsh. Like he basically told he told me it looks nice. I'm not gonna say he was harsh, but like he told me how it is. Like he pointed out every little thing that I need to fix, that I should fix, or if I wanted to. But overall, he said the site looks amazing. But so I think tomorrow that's what we're gonna work on together. Day 4, I'm gonna do a code along of me fixing the problems he said. So a few of the problems he noticed is with these buttons up here. He said I should make the hover effect a little more subtle. It's like I guess it's a little too dark. And right here, these buttons are like way too close together. Like and also it's giving like the same effect is a little too much. So he said like make it more subtle. And then another issue he said was oh yeah, on this slide. So I have a different hover effect, CSS animation over here. He basically said like that's not very common to have different button animations, I guess. So he said like try to keep the same exact animation throughout the whole site. So I'm gonna change this one to the box shadow effect that I have on the other ones. So that was one, and then also he said when I think I mentioned this last video, and I actually noticed it. So I think right there. See, so right here, my buttons, they break like this, and then the cards go, I guess, uneven. So he said I should probably put this into, I guess, a Bootstrap class called Card Deck. I'm not too familiar with it, but you know, tomorrow I'll do some research on it, and that should fix the problem with that. But with these buttons, I probably should have them stack at that. But it's just like, I just don't know what to do right here, because like when I go like this and then they break, right? Like just a little bit more, it goes like to that. So like, is that large maybe? I think that's large. So this is medium for sure. And then that's, wait, that's small, and then XL. So yeah, I don't know. We'll play around with it tomorrow. And then a few other, I guess, little stuff that we can do is, since I added a background. Oh yeah, this is the background. Since I added the background, this the hidden, it looks a little weird now, so I gotta like fix that up, because the background makes it like that. So, and yeah, I think that's really about it. Overall, I mean, he said it looks amazing. He's a professional front end developer when he's not instructing. So for my first project to for him to say that my first project is amazing, it's, you know, it made me feel great, and it made me want to just keep working on it as hard as I can. And some of the plans, I mentioned this last video, when I learn React, I'm definitely gonna switch this whole entire site up. But for now, they want us to use as much Bootstrap as we can. And I think I kind of nailed that already. But yeah, so this is the site. Next is just a footer, and I know what I forgot actually. So let me ID. Oh, sorry for the loud keyboard. I forgot to add that to that, so I can scroll down. But my computer is running slow. Alright, so let me go to the nav, and so I forgot to add the dot too. So contact. Okay, perfect. Oh yeah, also what he said, my images, they load slow, and it's making my site slow. I don't know if it's gonna, like, see, like, maybe see, look right here, see how like they come in slow. So he wants me, well, everything he said is just he said it's optional, but I really want to do it. He said basically redo all the images, put them through a image optimizer or something like that. He sent me the link to it, and re-upload them on here just to make it faster, because I got these from Unsplash, and they're pretty like high quality images and large images, so definitely gotta work on that. And yeah, so that's the contact. And if you guys don't know, it's something I learned off a YouTube video. To get that nice scrolling effect like this is literally one line of CSS, and it's scroll behavior smooth. So just in case people are watching me that didn't know that. Alright, so let me add a dot and scroll down to a dot section. Just here, already got it. Cool. Alright, so all my links should work now. Dot section, home, about, home, donate, and contact. Perfect. Actually, I probably, whenever I add the footer, I probably change the ID, because it's like when I go down to contact here, it kind of like just jumps to here. So I probably like have it coming like down here more. So I might add the ID adopt to maybe like the heading. I think that'd be better, but I don't know if that's gonna work now. So let me see. So maybe like the heading. Where's the heading? Oh shit, that's the wrong section. Contact, I mean. So like this ID, the contact to the heading, just so it can go down a little further. I don't know if it's like I gotta have the footer for it to go down further, but it should like clear. It should clear like most of this and just have this up. So we'll see how it works. Maybe I'm just overthinking it. Actually, let me just put it back just in case. I think once I add the footer, I think it'll be fine actually. Alright. So yeah, that's it guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. That's day 3. Every day, man, I'm uploading something, even if it's just me just talking like I was in work the first day. Every day I'm uploading something. And just like I'm doing this for myself, but hopefully, you know, you guys are some people, you know, follow me and see my journey. And I'm really working hard, man, to land that first developer role. I've been grinding. I have all these game systems over here. I don't play. Like, I don't play anything no more. I'm just focused on code. I code hours and hours and hours a day. I learn code hours and hours and hours a day. It's crazy, but I've really dedicated my life to this. It's something that I've really enjoyed doing. So also, yeah, look, like you see how it shows, like you can tell when this is you can tell it's 2 images right here. I don't like that. So I'm thinking if I toss that into just one big container, so the card section, that shit is gonna be, it's gonna mess everything up though. But I think I might do it tomorrow. So I might just throw this into like one big container here, because you can tell when it's split right here. I don't like that. This looks nice up here, but yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy it. It's 13 minutes, pretty long. Yeah, peace out guys.